VP sir, teachers, parents and my dear friends. I am Udaya Kumar from 6th A. I am going to tell a speech about Indian Army. The Indian Army stands as the protective force of India, ensuring the safety and well-being of its citizens. They offer assistance in times of crisis and demonstrate unwavering commitment, often making the ultimate sacrifice for the greater good. The Indian Army comprises diverse units consisting of both men and women professionally trained to engage in combat on land, sea, air, representing the armed force, navy, Indian Air Force respectively. With the motto "Service before self," the Indian Army adheres steadfastly to this principle. Soldiers undergo rigorous training in various environment and climate, ensuring they become adept at adapting and surviving under different conditions. In times of natural disasters like extensive flooding and heavy rainfall, Indian Army soldiers are often the first to respond. They are helping hand to rescue and save lives, including both human and animals. The Indian Army is organized into nine divisions arranged in the hierarchical order: commands, corps, division, brigade, regiments, company, battery, platoon and section. Presently, the Army million troops stationed across various locations in the country. The Indian Army is dedicated to ensuring the safety and well-being of its citizens. Threats on both external and internal conflicts. Every national holiday is a day of duty for them, and their selfless sacrifice serve as a constant inspiration and source of pride for every Indian citizen. Thank you.
Appreciate for